Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We have observed that in 11th class animal kingdom topic is very important and the students struggle to remember all the examples of the animal kingdom. And nearly 2-3 questions are asked in the NEET for it. So I tried to make the list of all the examples of animal kingdom till phylum Hemichordata. Now let us start it. Now see, this is the first mnemonic super sponge everywhere for phylum Porifera. For phylum Porifera, this is the mnemonic super sponge everywhere. Cycon spongilla euspongia. Cycon also known as skyfish, spongilla known as freshwater sponge, euspongia known as bath sponge. Then for phylum Coelenterata, please ask pretty good grandma, mother has old apples. Physalia, Portuguese man of war, Adamsia, sea anemone, Peninsula sea pen, Gorgonia sea fan, Menandrina, brain coral, Hydra, Aurelia, jellyfish. Then first phylum Ctenophora, Peter calls, Plurobranchi and Stenoplana, comb jellies. Platyhelminthes, T for parents. Taenia solium, also known as tapeworm, fasciola, liver fluke, planaria, also known as digacia. For Aschelminthes, Anna wants apple. Ascaris, roundworm, Vaucheria, filarial worm, and Cyclostoma, hookworm. Annelida, never prefer homework. Nereis, Ferritima, earthworm, Hemichordata, blood-sucking leeches. Phylum Arthropoda, which is very important, you have to learn it very carefully. A big cat ate little lions. A2 is there. Apis, honeybee, anopheles. Big Bombyx silkworm. Cat C. Culex. A. Aedes. L. Little, two examples are there. Limbless or Lepissima. Okay, two examples. And lions, again two examples, locust and lucifer. Now, I have highlighted with the yellow color, these are the one which are vectors. Which I have highlighted as yellow color, these are vectors. Anopheles, Culex, and Aedes. These are vector. Anopheles for malaria, Culex for elephantiasis, and Aedes for dengue and chikungunya. You will be studying all these terms in your 12th class human health and disease chapter. Then the one which is highlighted as blue color, Apis, honeybee, okay, Bombyx silkworm, and Lucifer lake insect. These are your economically important. These are the economically important insects. Then limbless living fossil, also known as king crab. And last is Locusta, also known as gregarious pest. So this is very important. Please learn it carefully. Then come the phylum Mollusca. Mollusca is also again very important. Learning tips is कि please put some lemon on any dish carefully. So this first four, okay, first four, please Miss Pila, put Pinnectida, also known as pearl oyster, some sepia cuttlefish, lemon, Logilo squid. Okay, I've highlighted this way. You focus, please. I've highlighted with the this color. Now I'm changing the color. I'm changing with the green color. On any dish carefully. On octopus, devilfish, any Apalsia sea hare, dish, Denantilium tusk shell, carefully, that is Chaetoplura chiton. So this is the learning tips. Please learn it it is very helpful for you. Then phylum Echinodermata. All elephants always carry orange. Asteris, starfish, Echinus, sea urchin, Antidon, sea lily, Cucumeria, sea cucumber, and Ophiura, brittle star. Hemichordata, big snake, Balanoglossus and Saccoglossus. Final last learning tips, again revision. You can take the screenshot of it also. Porifera, super sponge everywhere. Ctenophora, please ask pretty good grandma, mother has old apples. First letter only, okay, everywhere first letter. Ctenophora, Peter calls. Platyhelminthes, T for parents. Aschelminthes, always wear armor, or second I have given it in my slide is the Anna wants. apple. I've given this way because that I found it's very easy. Then Annelida, never prefer homework. Arthropoda, a big cat ate little lions. So here you have to add two here and two here and two here. Remember, this is the way to learn it. Then next, please put some lemon. So please put some lemon on any dish carefully. Then Echinodermata, all elephants always carry oranges and big snake. So I hope so this video might be helpful for you to learn all the examples of animal kingdom till phylum Hemichordata. I'll make the next video for all the examples of phylum Chordata. Thanks for watching, and this PDF will be attached to the description. If you want, you can download it. Thanks for watching, and I hope so you'll be benefited from this. Best of luck for your NEET preparation.